if your cooker kitchen tap is flashing like this, then you have probably one issue, and in this case I have the issue E4. Now if you wanna take hot water, you can do it even if you have the error E4. You see, hot water is working, but if you wanna take cold water, then happens nothing. And here you can see this error E4. And if you try to reset your cooker like this, the error will come again. Now you can see this. And the error E4 means that you have a leakage, that you have a leak inside the cube. Cooker sent me these two pieces. This one is a sensor, temperature sensor, and this one is the piece that I think is losing water, and I think it's here. This is a valve. First of all, we have to close the cold water. The hot water you don't need to close, just the cold water. Then we have to disconnect the gas. Now we have to disconnect all these pipes and electricity. Now when everything is disconnected, you have to unscrew these two screws. Then you can remove this one and this one. Just like this. This one you just you can remove it very easily. Now I can show you where the sensor is and where the other part, the leaking part, is. The leaking part is this one. You can see the same piece, and that's inside here, that's leaking. And to change this sensor, you have to pull out the electronic parts, and here you can see the sensor. You have to disconnect it here, and then you can just pull it out, just like this. Now you can see the old sensor, and here we have the new one. I will put the new one inside, and I will connect it later. First I will change the leaking piece. Show you where the water is. If I pull out these two sensors here, this little one, then you can see we have a little bit dirty here, and here we have some water inside where the sensor is. It's not a lot, but it says to sensor that have to close the water because of this small leak. Quooker sent to me also a brand new piece that I will use instead of this one. It's just other color. To remove this piece you have to turn it and then pull it out. can see it's outside. Now we have to disconnect it here. This is here inside. To work easier, you can also disconnect the electronic parts. And every of these plugs is different. You can't make any mistake. Just like this. Then you can see this piece a little more better. Now I have to remove this pipe and then we can just put inside the new one. Sometimes you will have a little bit of pressure inside, water pressure, then you have to make it slow, really slow, because of the water. I will pull it out slowly. You see, we have some water inside, we have some pressure inside the tank. You have to make it really, really slowly. Okay. Now you can see I removed this pipe. I don't know where it's losing water. It can be here, but it can be also here. Now I can connect the new pipe. Okay, perfect. Now I have to connect it here on the water tank. Okay. Now we can connect all these electronic plugs. And like I said before, you can make any mistake because they are all different. Okay, perfect. Now we have to connect this one with these two small sensors. You have to clean it really good from the water, then we can connect it. You see how small they really are. Now we can just put it inside, like this. Here you can also see the fan that sometimes make problems, the compressor and all these electronic parts. Next one is this here. Okay. And the next piece is this one. As you can see, you need really a couple of tools, nothing special tools or something else. All the pieces that you need, Quooker will send it to you at home. Just like this one. Now I can put it inside, again connect all the pipes, then we can see if everything is working properly. Now I can connect the bottle also. Now you can see we don't have any issue more. Now we can check if the kitchen tap is working good. Now you can see we don't have any more the flashing light. I will try. Mineral water is working. Cooled water also. And the hot water also. The problem was really the leaking pipe. I hope that I can help you with this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you next time.